Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple macrame wall hanging. Okay guys, today I have a really fun and simple project for us to do. All that we need, I got this at Hobby Lobby. You'll just need, something like this. Some black yarn, and I wanted to do white, but all that I've got, the chunky yarn, is a really light gray, so I'm just going to use it. And what you want to do is cut your string at 32 inches. Okay, so I've got my first group of 4. And like I said, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it was only $1.99. So it wasn't expensive. And all that it is a steel ring. Okay. Next thing, we're going to tape the ends of our 4 pieces of string. And we're just simply going to wrap the tape around the end. This just keeps your yarn from unraveling while you're working. So now we're going to fold our yarn in half. Going to go under, through, pull it tight to make a lark's head knot. Under, through, so my tape came off the end of that one, and pull it tight. Under, through, back, pull it tight, under, through, pull it tight. So there is the first 4 pieces, and you always want to work in groups of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do the same thing with our gray. So once you have all of your strings on, you want to push everything to the center. Now we're going to flip these out of our way. Take our black, and we want to do what's called a double, I don't know what kind of knot it's called. But we're going to go under again. See if I can remember how to do this. Cross it over, under, and then through. Pull it to the side and pull it tight. Okay, so what I did, pulled it over, made didn't, I pulled it under. That's what I did. So I pulled it under, flipped it one way, came back, flipped it again, and then on the one that I just finished, pulled up the string a little and put my string through it, my yarn through it. Pull it over here and just pull it tight. Okay, come off again. But, uh-oh, I missed a string, hang on. So we go under, if you have a bar, or, I mean, if you want to, you can stretch it all the way down to the bottom, but to secure this part, under, over, and you make a little loop like that. Then you cross back over that loop, go under again, and then with this loop, you just put your string through it, and you pull it tight, and then pull your string over to the side. To make a knot. Pull it over here, tighten it up. I'm hoping everyone can see how easy this is. Under, go under and under. Go under again on the other side. Go over the top and through the middle, pull it over here, tighten your knot up. So now we go to our gray, and what we're going to do is we're going to sort of weave it. So I'm going under a black, over a black, under a black, over a black, under a black, over a black, under black, over black. Okay, why is this one popping up so far? Because it flipped on me. So you have that on your first one. So on the next one, you're going to go over the first one and go under the second one. Over, under, over, under, over, and under. Pull it to the side. Now we're going to keep doing this until all of the gray strings are fed through. Just reversing each time. And if a string comes loose, all you have to do is tighten it back up. See this. I know my hands are all in the way, but you see the pattern that we're getting. Okay, so you want to push everything, all of your gray, down except for your first loop. And you're going to try to pull it in a straight line, and it should end over here. So now you go under, over, doing the same thing again, under, over, under, and then we go through our knot. We pull it, pull it as tight as we can get it. Then we move to the second part of that knot, and and it's going to be right beside this one. So we go under, over the string and under the bar, crossing back over the string and going down into the loop we created. Pull it over here and pull it tight. Now we'll move our second one up, and we keep doing our knot. Okay, so when you're finished, this is what you have. So now I'm going to take all the ends off, and I'm just going to untwist it a little to give it a little bit of fringe. And when you're finished, this is what you have. Hope y'all enjoyed, and until next time, happy crafting.